Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, every month I give away a palette. So for this month it is the Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette. I will put a link that talks about the video on how to enter this in the description box down below. Also, when this channel reaches 200 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a big box of free beauty products, so make sure you stay tuned and help us get there. So BOXYCHARM is something that ships out every month. They do have a quarterly where you can kind of upgrade, so once a quarter, to their BOXYLUXE, and that's what this one is. And it has over $250 worth of product in it. It's $49, and I can't wait to dive into this. I've been trying to stay off all the spoilers so I can be surprised. So there's a card that talks about all the different products. So the first one is from Tarte. Is the Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. And I know that their face palettes have been really good in the past, so I'm anxious to try this. This is Meet Your New Everyday Staple, the 6-shade Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3, formulated with Amazon clay. Deliver your streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for sculpted dimension look. Ooh, it has some weight to it. Here's what this looks like. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Here's the little flimsy plastic thing just fell off. But here is, look how pretty this is, you guys. Let's swatch a couple of these. I'm in desperate need of a new face palette. My other one I've been using for a long time. I've hit pan on and it's not looking pretty anymore. I'm just trying to build up those kind of blush colors so you can kind of see them. There's the two blushes. Can we just look at these highlighters? Ah, stunning. Love it. And obviously you can build them up if you want more of a sheen too. And they feel super creamy and nice. Now let's take a look at those bronzers. So I don't know if I said, but the retail value of this palette is $45. And here are those bronzers. Obviously I built them up to show up on the camera, but you don't have to build them up that dark. I am super happy about this guy. Next we have from Touch in Sol. I've been using their primer lately and really like how it looks, especially underneath makeup. It seems to make it last all day, and it kind of hides the pores. So here is their No Problem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with the new Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence, infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And I just put a little dab of that onto the back of the hand. It's almost like water going on. And there it is, kind of rubbed in. Here's what the product itself looks like. And this retails for $23. From PYT is the Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. This will be great for when you're traveling. Just a little, ooh, cute lavender color. How cute is this little guy, the lavender color? It does have a mini diffuser on here and an angled attachment as well. So this is the new PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. It's powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will be only an arm's length away. So I don't use a hair dryer just because my hair will go everywhere if I do. Even with a diffuser it does it, so I am going to pass this one along. Ooh, maybe I'll put it in that giveaway. From Dominique Cosmetics, it's their Lemonade Lip Gloss. I love pink lemonade. So here's what the packaging looks like. It does have the little cruelty-free symbol on the back. Pretty this is. Doesn't smell like lemonade. It smells like a cupcake to me. It's just kind of a really pretty peach toned lip gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. Retails for $17. So here's a mascara from Trestique. It is the Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your Nutristate Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. It does have a built-in lash curler here at this end. I'm not going to open this right now because I have a ton of mascaras already open. I might even throw this one in that upcoming giveaway too. From Dr. Brandt. Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll, powered by the Biotic Balancing Complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil of your skin that is hydrated, never stripped. Let the plants do all the dirty work. Retails for $35. It's always good to try out a new cleanser. From Pharmacy, I've tried a couple products from Pharmacy before. This is our Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acid blend, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion. Look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Retails for $58. If it can do all that, sign me up. And here's what it kind of looks like. Let's put a little of this on the back of the hand. It does feel really nice. Kind of almost silky smooth on the back of my hand. Love it. From Living Proofs is the Full Dry Volume Blast. I've heard a lot of you guys rave about this, that it will add a ton of volume. And so if you're into that and want that, this will be perfect for you. And make some room on your vanity for the new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, especially if you have straight hair, and this will help kind of give you a little bit of boost. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture it's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection. It's silicone free. It's safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Retails for $29. Last but not least is by Skin & Co. is their Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legends of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice, enriched with antioxidant-rich, smoothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black water, truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascus rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing the skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Retails for $35. Just don't want it to smell like mushrooms. And it doesn't. It has a really nice kind of refreshing. I can smell the peppermint is the one smell that I can kind of smell. It has a really fine mist. Ooh, I really like this. So which of the products were your favorite? I would say hands down, the Tarte's Pro Glow is my favorite. I love these colors. When I first looked at it, I thought, oh, those are gonna be a little light, but they're really highly buildable. I cannot wait to dig into this. What were your favorites? Were we box twins? I was version 6B. Let me know if you got the same things in yours. If you get this box, let me know that. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me. When you like our videos, subscribe to them, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.